Let's check in with KTK meteorologist John Adams. John, when I was driving to work, it was so much fog. I thought it was going to be raining, but it was no rain. Is the rain coming later?
Yeah, the rain is starting to show up in deep East Texas, and we'll show you where that is coming up, but it's going to spread over the rest of the area as we go through the afternoon. Now, the clouds and the fog has actually hung on a little bit longer than what we've been seeing. We didn't have the clouds break aloft, therefore didn't get quite as much warmth to dissipate that fog during the morning. 65 currently in Longview with a calm wind, and right now the visibility is at 2 miles. It's up from near zero, which it was for a lot of East Texas earlier this morning. Here's the showers starting to show up in deep East Texas. We've got a few down near the lakes area. This is the area where we expect the focus for thunderstorms and the potential for severe weather to be as we go through the day today. Meanwhile, as we check out Futurecast, the model will show us how it thinks things are going to be working out. This is about the way things look now, maybe a little more predicted by the model than what we've actually got, but that's typically the case. Meanwhile, we have got showers and thunderstorms that will be developing through the afternoon as a front gets into the area. And some of those storms, as you can see, the model is saying could be pretty strong and produce some severe weather. Going on up into the evening hours, we'll see the chance of rain continue up to about 10 o'clock across East Texas. After that, we'll see much of that activity moving eastward, clearing out of East Texas, and overnight we will see most of that activity off to the east, and we start to get cooler here in East Texas as the rain comes to an end. Severe outlook does include a slight risk for about the southeastern half of East Texas. You can see there will be that potential for severe weather in those areas, and then a marginal risk in the green area, and part of that runs north of Interstate 20. Tornado probability, there is a low-end risk of tornadoes, a 2% chance that within 25 miles of any point in the green area there could be a tornado, and a 5% chance down around Toledo Bend that within 25 miles of any point there could be a tornado there. Most of the activity is going to be lying off to the east there. The main threats that we'll see in East Texas are damaging winds, indicated here as a 15% chance within any point of East Texas within 25 miles of that we could see some damaging thunderstorm winds, a 5% chance in the Brown area, and then about the same area has a chance for some large hail. We're talking 2-inch diameter or larger across that area, and so there's a potential for that developing in the southeastern half of East Texas, deep East Texas as well. Temperatures right now, we are in the 60s with some 70s down in the south. Of course, you get a little heat building up, and that enhances the chance that those thunderstorms will be again to develop across the area. High temperatures this afternoon are going to be in the middle 70s for most of the area, and as we check out your lows Saturday morning, we start to get the cool down we've been talking about. Temperatures down into the 40s Saturday morning for the lows, and the high temperatures Saturday afternoon expected to be in the 50s. These are about average for what we expect this time of the year. So today we're going with a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms. High temperature 71 degrees. Tomorrow we're expecting a low near 44 in the morning with showers and thunderstorms. North winds gusting to 25, and tomorrow we'll see mostly sunny skies with a high near 55. North winds at 15 with gusts to 25. Over the next 7 days we have the thunderstorms today. After that we're back to drier and cooler weather as things return to normal, at least as far as temperatures are concerned for this time of the year, and similar conditions expected in deep East Texas. Check the forecast anytime at KETK.com.
John, thank you.